guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. It is very naturalist. I used, of course, my Shades by Gal. I believe this is their contour palette. So I used these colors, sorry, I didn't use any eyeshadow. So I used these to get this look on my eyes, and for my lips I used their luxury gloss in Sienna, and also their gel. It's actually a gel liner, and it's called Sienna 02, and they're all shades by Grace and Long. So yeah, that's it for this as an intro. Hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy the music as well. The artist's Facebook page will be linked in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA. We're praising God. Even the answer we don't need no prophecy. But it not take praising God. All we want for the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. And we're gonna lead them. In the sky where God is all I need. God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. No pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will protect me. I did no pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, cause I'm on a speed like an NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping what for them. They want to see me up in that car. Up with the bike with over me stopping that car. It's like them want to see me back in that car. And I spanner every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got star. And they been up disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan cause like say mother raising God. So we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where God of the solid rock and it's me I will stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down for me knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the number road and you see the AJ on it. And when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy on stage, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the pattern. So watch ya, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. Lord will put it away. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them but we wanna win. God will protect me. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, cause I'm on a speed like a NASCAR. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping what for them. God bless. Tell them so what lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song when we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song when we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune when you put out a street them bad. And see, every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty and my daddy. Me praise God like say that a my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit what dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survive of me. Escape enemy choppy for me like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song when we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song when we put on a beat them bad.